All right, y'all. Hey, how you doing? This is Chris, general manager here at Hawks Outdoors. Little office edition today. We got our peak refuel chicken teriyaki that we're going to boil up here. Since I got my electric kettle over here, 212 degrees boiling water. It calls for us to pour in 10.5 ounces, 1 1/3 cup boiling water here. All right, got that. Stir it up a little bit. What it is. So in this one, we got white chicken, rice, vegetables, and we got a little teriyaki sauce. That's real good there. I'm gonna pour just a little bit more water in here. And so after we finish this, we stir well, zip it. We're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and we'll come back to it. I'll let y'all know how this tastes. If it's seasoned right, you know. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, y'all. So it's been 10 minutes since we sealed this pouch. Gonna open it up, give it a taste test. And just in case y'all are wondering, in this entire package, we have 40 grams of protein. We have only 8 grams of fat and 4 grams of fiber. So very hearty. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, y'all can dig that. This definitely won't be here much longer. Come check us out. Hawks Outdoors, 210-251-2882.